And everybody a family, and everybody you fi call friend. Yeah. But me no do nothing I regret it, and everybody a go lion. I no want a false friend. Thou shall not switch pon the dance them. Bumbo clock if I fight with anything or anything. Right together. Three boy violate, them a die together. Police ask question, we lie together.
Jamas. Yeah, I'm just being honest.
Hey. Real shit though.
Baby girl, is you gon' rap for me?
Right.
Baby girl, you gon' slide for me?
Slide.
To the top, we gon' go.
Go.
Baby, I want you to ride with me.
Ride with me.
I'm out here, I'm on my grind. I'm gon' make sure you alright.
Hey.
Let me know.
Let me know.
Is he riding, baby?
Riding up.
Let me know.
Let me know.
Stacking the dividends.
Stacking it.
Living residual.
Living it.
Counting up all this money,
Cash,
baby.
cash.
You know how we do.
You know
It's
it.
just you and me, girl. Ain't no love in the crew.
No way, no way.
Out your back when you get to it, baby. I'm loving what you do.
Loving it.
Pull your ear and slap your ass cheeks. Don't tell me about the past week, baby. You a star, you my freak. Like the movies, we got quality. Ay. Want you a part of me. On to the top, baby. Don't stop at me. Ay. Baby, come rock with me. Ay. Come rock with me now. Let me know. Is he riding, baby?
You riding?
Let me know. You gotta do. Yep. What's good, YouTube? What's good, man? How y'all been? Yep. I know y'all ain't seen me in a while, but yeah, man. Just tuning back with y'all. Yeah, me about to shoot. Try to do a little vlog today. I don't know what this will be about, but yeah, man. I'm here. What y'all been up to though, man? Make sure y'all like, subscribe. Shit, man, ain't nobody subscribed to my channel. Y'all just watch me and not subscribe, huh? But, alright, man, make sure y'all like, subscribe. I'm gonna see what's good, what I could get into for today, and let y'all know, man. But, yeah, stay tuned. Nice ass joint right there. Yep. Ready for the road.
Oh, right in the neck.
Man.
Ah, damn, what's that, bitch? Yeah. Okay. Ooh. Damn. Can I stretch it in that goal? Stretch it in the bucket of it. Right in there, guys. Right in there. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. That was a light stretch though. Yep. Yep, guys. You're here. I don't got no soccer kicks on. I ain't playing ball. But they out here, man. They brought me in this field. Yep. Gotta be in the bleachers. This is start the vlog, man. Where we at?
That was whatever.
Where we at, bro?
Huh?
Where we at? What's this field right here? I ain't never been
We
to
in
this.
DC Armour.
I ain't never been to this soccer field. This where they be training at?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Damn.
Yeah, I told you where we at. We're at the RFA campus.
Okay. Shit.
RFK campus. That's what this is.
Damn. I ain't never been to this joint. Let's see what they
We've been here up here multiple times. Here, I almost fought the fucking security guard.
Oh shit. Yeah. Hey. Oh chick. Huh? Oh shit. Yeah, you got the ball. Jose B came out to play. You're like, man. Let's see where we at, guys. It's nice here. Where am I? Oh shit, I thought you was out there, my bad.
Hey, the bus down today, son of Jordan.
Bro. Look, see this shit, bro. Yeah. So yeah, to start your morning, guys, I just paid what? Just paid fucking like $10 for this drink. Yep. Organic store. Right there, guys. Yep. Start your morning. Guys, look at this old school buggy. I ain't seen one of these joints in a minute. The old school buggy. That joint clean. Yeah. Smell like diesel though. Yep, guys. Drop a link in the description and tell me what you think about these drinks. I'm gonna do myself. I'm gonna do this. Yep, I see it, man. What we doing today? Yep, man. What's good, guys? New day, man. Going to work. Same video. Yep. Yeah, man. Make sure y'all like and subscribe to my channel. You hear me? Alright. Yes, I. Yeah, man. I'm about to see if I could give y'all a little POV view or some shit, but I don't know. Make sure y'all like, subscribe. My hair looking a mess or okay right now. Damn, that shit. Yeah, me, I see the shit, man. Yep. Yeah, man, make sure y'all like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, man, and y'all see the gear. Click the link in my bio, man. Check out my clothing. Y'all know the time. Yeah. Alright, man.
Nigga like, hey man, what's bracket, bitch? I'm keep flows up on you niggas, yeah. What all do you want from me? ARs and them 223s, fucking around with me, you see.
Truck. You see this big ass truck, guys? They coming over. Come on, bro. Come on. Hard at it. Just smoked everybody. Show y'all the replay, man. We're coming in hot. We're coming in hot, mama. Shit, man. Got me a toolbox and a bike. Yep. You with it. But now I'm trying to see where the games at. Oh, right here. God damn, man. Shit. Oh. Okay. That's what we're looking at right now. Yo, guys, look over here. We about to pass these police officers. They broke down, guys. Look at them over there. I know y'all see them. They broke down. Y'all getting a slight little POV. Yeah. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Yep, guys, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Tell me what y'all think about this POV. It's a little quick POV I'm adding to the videos, man. Hear me? All these feds on the road. I'm about to try to see if I could go to a custom shop, check out some shit that I could get done to my car, man. Some custom work. There's some custom work done to my car, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Hear me? Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Tell me what y'all think, man. I know y'all been missing me. I'm trying to get y'all some content. Get me? I gotta go to work, but I'm gonna see what kind of custom work I could get done to my car real quick, you know. Nothing major. I'm gonna show y'all something real quick. Ah, shit. Y'all can see, I might change out this dash right here with that digital screen and shit. I don't know. Let me go see what they got up there. But make sure y'all like and subscribe, man. So guys, I just checked in with the place. As you can see, there we go. I'm here. About to check it out. I don't know if y'all can see. But you see what they do over here. They get me. And they do all that shit. Yeah, so I'm about to check in with them guys. And yeah, make sure y'all like and subscribe. They're not open yet. They're open at 11. But I gotta go to work at 2. So I'm here. I'm gonna see what I could get done before I go to work. You hear me? I'm trying to see. And I heard they do the rap too, guys. I'm thinking about getting a rap too. So make sure y'all like, subscribe to my channel, man. Stay tuned, yo. Yeah, I mean, they do detailing too. Y'all see the sign right there. Auto detailing. My car dirty as shit. So y'all can see shit dirty on the floor. Yeah. But yeah, man, make sure y'all like, subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm out here. We grinding. Yep. Solo dolo, man. Yeah. Soon, hopefully, I will see somebody added to my channel. I don't know when, but yeah, when she ready. Alright? Make sure y'all like and subscribe. That's it. Top class. Yep, guys. I just went to the audio shop, man, make a deposit. I ain't get the radio put in today because I gotta go to work and shit. But I'm about to get some food, but I just show y'all a peek of what I'm getting. So y'all gonna see when the radio is put in. So I gotta go back in the next 2 days because they ordering the kit. Alright? So yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned, man, and make sure y'all like, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna drop this video before I show y'all the kit. You know what I'm saying? But I'm about to go get some food and hopefully show y'all what I get. Make sure y'all like, subscribe. Alright? Hit that notification bell too, man. I love you guys. Seafood.
Hi, how are you?
Hey, how's it going?
I'm good, thank you.
Can I get the seafood platter, the number 22, the fish? No, not, is that? No, the shrimp and chicken wings, the
Number 23?
23, yeah,
Okay, you want
23.
fried wings?
What kind of wings?
We have fried wings, baked wings, and barbecue.
Let me get fried wings, yeah. I'll
Okay,
take
what do you do
fried wings.
size?
I want rice.
Okay, rice.
Mac and cheese.
Okay. Anything
I
else?
know. Can I do the collard greens?
Okay, fried rice and collard greens.
Yeah,
Anything else?
that's it. That's a lit right there. Okay, guys, there goes the place right there. So I want to see where I just came from. Yep, that's what we just got now. Yep. Diggity. Yes, yep. Wings and fucking shrimps and wings, yeah, in that bitch on there. But yeah, we got fried rice and greens. Yep. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Yeah. Man, guys, this food is too boss, man. Make sure y'all like and subscribe, man. Y'all probably wondering why I'm crushing in the car and didn't eat in there. Man. Damn, guys. Shit is too boss. But I'm about to go to work, so gotta eat good. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, man. If you, I don't know what y'all doing, but whatever y'all doing, stop what y'all doing. Hit that like button. Subscribe too. About to make a move though. Can't just sit in one spot, guys, you know. Gotta keep it moving. Yep. I'm checking with y'all.